In this video, we're going to show you how you can attach a photo to an email on your iPhone. If this video helps, consider subscribing and giving the video a like for more tutorials like this. If you have a photo that you'd like to send to someone, here's how you can add it to an email. Begin by actually opening up the Mail app or whatever email app you use. This is going to work with Gmail and other apps like that, so it doesn't really matter which app you choose. Tap the compose icon in the bottom right corner, and this is going to pull up a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and enter in the recipient's email address just like so. From here, you can add a subject, so I'm just going to add that as pictures, and you can also type in your message. Check out these pictures, lol. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is actually tap on the paperclip icon that's just above the keyboard and then select Photo Library. You can now pick whatever picture you'd like to add, and as you can see, that picture is now going to be attached to your email. This is going to happen automatically. So when you're ready to send it, simply go ahead and tap the send icon in the top right, and it's going to ask you to choose the image size. I'm going to choose actual size for this example, but you can choose medium, small, or even large if it's an option, and it's going to compress that photo into one of those sizes, and your email is going to be sent. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.